Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue if your Sony earbuds that they are not showing up in Bluetooth and what you can do about it. So the first thing is what I encourage you to do, that if you actually use them in the past, you can like unpair them. This is the first thing that I encourage you to do, to try if it's possible, of course. So I'm going to be right here and I go to settings, connections, Bluetooth. And you're gonna have like whatever, I have the JBL here, so settings, and then on the bottom right you can have unpair. So this is the first thing. The second thing that you can try to do, and this may also work or not may work, know if someone else is not connected to them. So I know some storage maybe in your household, or they randomly are just connected with the laptop, who knows, but also check that out if you're just alone. And the third thing that you can do is hard reset them. So every earbud from Sony got a different way to factory reset. So these are XM5. Now, I know that with the XM5, what you have to do is to put them back to the case and hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. Now with the XM4 and others, what you have to do is when you don't have the button there, you just have to put them in a case and just hold both on top. And the same process is going to apply, that it's going to find this orange thing there blinking like this, and now it's been reseated. So okay, and now what I would do is that I would just hold it like this, and this is something that you can, how you're going to do the factory reset. So you can go from the back and hold it, or if you have a button, and if you don't have a button, just open the case and hold them together for about 15 seconds. So thank you very much for watching. Hope it will going to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.